How to change your Trust Wallet account password or passcode. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your account, the Trust Wallet account password or passcode. Well, the process itself is pretty simple, so let me guide you through quick and easy with this video. First things first, you can go ahead and open up your Trust Wallet. And here you want to log in, entering in your passcode. Once you enter in your passcode here, next thing what you want to do is simply tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top left corner of the screen, and here you shall be headed to this page. On this page you shall be able to find the option that says security. Right here you can see security, tap on it, and now it will ask you for passcode. You want to simply go ahead and enter in your passcode. Once you enter in your passcode, you'll see the passcode option there, and it'll give you the option to toggle it off. Now the trick here in order to change your passcode is simply toggle it off, and it'll ask you your passcode again, confirm it, and it'll be toggled off. Then simply toggle it on again, and this time it'll ask you to set up a new passcode. So this is how you can change your Trust Wallet account passcode or password. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.